How to download Notion app on Mac. If you want to download Notion app on your laptop, then follow these instructions. First, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. After that, click on the search bar and type in Notion download for Mac. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. It will directly lead you to this download page, and here you can see this download for macOS option. Click on it. After that, your download will be started. After your download is completed, you can see pop-up like this. Click on this Notion option. Now simply drag this Notion logo into this application. After that, you can close this window, and if you go to Launchpad, you can see that Notion has been successfully downloaded on your Mac. So this is how you can download Notion on your Mac. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.